Yes, hello children. This is class 8, Exponents and Powers. A small concept before going to start exercise 2. And children, I also explained about the small concept before entering into the exercise 1. What was it? I said we have learned about this in the class 7. Okay, in which I explained the four topics: what is base and exponent, what is negative exponents, laws of exponents, and standard form. Okay, in these four I explained about these three, but only the fourth one is standard form, which we are going to discuss again in detail. Okay, standard form also we have discussed in the class 7 for few numbers which are larger number. Now in this class we are going to discuss about the standard form which are we are going to convert for the smaller numbers. Okay, first of all, what is small number and what is large number we will discuss. Okay, suppose an example, the distance from few examples are there in the textbook also in NCRT book. Among them I just picked out only 5 to explain about the small number and large number. The distance from the earth to the sun is, see, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers are there. Okay, so thousands, millions, billions numbers are there. Okay, so this kind of numbers we cannot remember easily. We can remember, but immediately it will not get striked in our mind. So for that is the why we converted them into the standard notation, which is called scientific notation. Okay, so few more examples. Let us read. Speed of light is given here, millions meter per second. Average diameter of red blood cells is 0.00007. Okay. The size of plant cell is the thickness of piece of paper. Okay, these are 5 examples I just picked out from the textbook, NCRT book. Okay. So, we have also discussed the large number, how to convert into the standard form. Now, here, I hope you understood what is large and small. So, small numbers are these, children. What are these which can be remember easily? It's like 0.0016. Okay, somehow we can manage small numbers, but these are the large numbers. Okay, these large numbers can be converted into the exponential, which are in positive. Okay, now the small numbers also we can convert into standard form, but their exponents will be negative because this is decimal. No, decimal after digits conversion will be negative only. Okay, so I'm going to explain about the small number, 0.00007. One, so how many digits are there after decimal? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, those many zeros I'll take into the denominator. So I'm just removing this decimal. I am placing the zeros after 1. Okay, now again 7 as it is, I'm writing no value of these zeros, no, so that is why just write, I wrote here 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm converting into the base 10 and 10 to the power of 6 this is. Okay, and this is also can be written as 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 millimeter. Okay, this is called standard notation of smaller number. So smaller number will be in negative exponents. Okay, next one more example, 0.0016 is equal 0 point. After decimal 4 digits are there, so I took in the denominator. By removing this, I took 4 zeros in denominator. What is that? 16 by 10 to the power of 4. I am just converting into the base 10. Again I have to take one decimal, like 1 point only. So after it 6, how many sorry, yeah, after 1 how many digits are there? Only 1, so we are multiplying and dividing. Okay, I am now cancelling this decimal and placing the decimal before 6. Okay, now this becomes uh, 1.6 into 10 to the power of 1, and this I am taking into the numerator, which takes place of negative symbol. Okay, now 1.6 into 10 to the power of 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is how much? Minus 3. This is called smaller number standard notation. In negative powers only we will get mostly. Okay, so try these. There are 4 questions, children. Among them, I just completed 2 questions here. So here, first one, 0.123456789 digits are there after decimal. So 0.9 decimal. So 9 zeros I took in the denominator, and only 564 I am writing here. After that, in denominator I am converting into the base 10, 10 to the power of 9. Now two more digits are there. For that purpose I need again 100, multiply and divide by 100 to make it more short form. So I removed these 2 zeros and I placed one decimal before digits. So now this becomes 5.64 into 10 square into 10 to the power of negative 9, right? Okay. Now 10 to the power 2 minus 7, 9 is how much? 10 to the power of minus 7. This is the standard form of smaller number. Okay, one more large number is given. So suppose units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 15 million. So 1524 into 10,000. Now again I have to place the 3 digits before decimal. So I need to multiply and divide by again here 1000. So I am removing these 3 zeros and placing the decimal here to convert into more shorter form. Now this becomes 1.524 into 10 to the power of 4, this one. Okay, this one. And this is base 10, 10 cube. Okay, now I'm adding these two because both are positive. So this becomes 1.524 into 10 to the power of 7. Okay, only 2 problems I explained in the try these problem, children. Now we will start the exercise 12.2. Okay, 12.2 also. First question. What is the first question here? Yes, children. Exercise 12.2. First question. Okay. So here in the exercise 12.2, we have 4 questions. In each question, four, five. First bit, 5 problems are there. Okay. So now this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. First problem I will explain with the procedure. Remaining we will try to write without doing. It's better you do the procedure only, children. Again I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 85 by 13 I am writing directly instead of writing all the zeros. Will you accept this, children? I'm just removing this and I am writing down of this question how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I am just converting it to base 10. Okay. Now again before 5 we need one more decimal because we need more shortest form. No, So here what I have to do is 85 by 10 to the power of 13 into 10 to the power, multiply and divide by 10. So now I'm removing this and placing 1. So 8.5 into 10 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power of minus 13. Okay, will you accept this? So what does it gives us? 8.5 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Okay, children? Got it? Understood this one? Right. Next question again. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 9, 42. Okay. So 942 I am writing first. 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 to the power of 14. I am writing now directly. Can I write directly, children? If you want, you can write in denominator 14 zeros. Okay. What do I need again? I have to multiply and divide by 100. 942 by 10 to the power of 14 into 100 by 100. Okay, children, I'm just removing these two and placing decimal here. Now 9.42 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 14. Now this last step here I will write 9.42 into 10 to the power of minus 12. I'm just subtracting 2 minus, this is minus, no, because denominator power takes place negative. Okay, next. Third question. Third question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 602. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 zeros are there, children. So here again I'm directly going to write 602 into 10 to the power of, okay, 10 to the power of how much? 13. Can I write directly, children? You can also do it. How will write here? 602 into these numbers. Okay, next. Here two digits are there. I have to uh, write in more shortest form. So I am going to do 602 into 10 to the power of 13 into, I am just going to multiply and divide by 100. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So here I am placing the decimal with red pen, because if you can't understand, so this is 6.02 into 10 to the power of 13 plus 2. 13 into 10 square. How can I write? 6.02 into 10 to the power of 13 plus 2, how much? 15. Okay, children? Yes. Next question. Fourth one. 0 point. Here again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. 837. Okay, shortest form, how can I write? I just take one step down because you'll get confused here. So 837 by these zeros are 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 to the power of 11. Okay, now I need 100, multiply and divide by 100, because I have to place the decimal after 8. So I'm going to remove this and placing the decimal here. So this is 8.37 into 10 square into 10 to the power of minus 11. Okay, This is 8.37 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay, 2 minus 11. Understood, children? The last question, fifth one. 3186. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So thousands, million, billion. Okay. Now here 3186 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 to the power of 7 is equal. Now again these three places I have to correct to the decimal 3. So how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So multiply and divide by 1000. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now the answer will be 3.186 into 10 to the power of 7 into 10 to the power of 3. The answer is 3.186 into 10 to the power of 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, children, this is the first bit. Okay, next, second question. This is standard form, and the second question is given standard form to usual form. Usual form in the sense we have to convert into this notation. Expanded also we can say, or usual form. Second bit. Express okay, children. See, in the last question, the notation is given. We have converted into standard form. And the standard form is given. We have to convert into usual form. Usual form means how can we do it? First of all, 3.2 into negative number, we will take into the denominator as minus 6. Then we will convert 3. We will remove this decimal also. Okay, 32 by 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10. Okay, next. One small mistake, children. Here the copied question is 3.02. Okay, once again I will explain. The question was copied wrong. 3.02 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, right. So now, first of all, 3.02 by 10 to the power of 6, not minus 6. Okay, the negative will be taking place is in denominator positive. Okay, next here, two digits are there. So 302 by 10 to the power of 6 into 100. I just removed two decimals and I have taken in denominator two zeros. Okay, then what is this? 302 by 10 to the power of 8. Okay, now I will expand this form. 302 by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many digits we have here? 1, 2, 3. 3 no? So we need 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now keep the decimal here. This is 0, children. Okay. What is the answer here? 0. Removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 0.5 zeros and 302. This is a required answer. This is called usual form. Standard to usual. Okay. Next question again. 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay. Now I am going to do 4.5 into 10 to the power 4 means how many? 4 zeros directly. It is positive, no? Next, I am removing this decimal. I am taking place 1 0 in denominator. Now I can cancel this and this. Now 45,000 is the answer. Okay, children? This is required answer of second bit. Third question. Okay. Third question is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Okay. So 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8. No. We will write 1 by 10 to the power of 8. This 1 is not necessary also. 3 by how many zeros? 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I'm going to cancel these. 1. Okay. Here place is not there. That is why I'm just rewriting. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just cancelling all the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. What is the answer? 0.121234567 and 3. Okay. This is the required answer. Okay, children. Next question. Fourth one. 1.0001 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay. So 1.001 into 10 to the power 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm removing this 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros I'm taking in denominator. Okay, 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just removed. Okay, now how much the value is? 1 0 0 0 1 after 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. Okay, children? Okay, this is our required answer. Next, fifth one. Today we will complete up to second bit only in this topic, children, because you have to practice a lot. Okay? Yes. 5.8 is very simple again. I hope you can also do now. 10 to the 10 to the power 12 means 12 zeros. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And I have to remove this and I have to take 1 0 in denominator. Okay, 1 0 I can cancel. Now 58 after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 zeros. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 zeros. Okay, but it's the last. This is the answer, and the last question is sixth question of this second bit. 3.61492 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, children, you have to write your classwork also in this way very neatly. Okay, your handwriting is also very important, children. I'll make some handwriting videos also. How to write? Yes, here now again 3.61492 into 10 to the power of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I'm going to remove this decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. I'm going to write 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. I can cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to write the number 36149210. Okay, that's all. This is the second bit, all answers.